There's a feeling in the air, and it's with you everywhere. It's from Flint, Michigan. 105 is always there. You can take us anywhere. Flint, Michigan. For all the people in this town, we will never let you down, and we mean it. Music's what we do. We're placed best because of you. The Rock's on 105. Makes no difference where you are, in your home or in your boat. Hello, Davison, Clio, and Breslin. 105 loves you.
He